Hello everyone, welcome back. I started getting queries from today morning. So how we can decode this issue? That is how to verify the UGC net answer key with the help of an Excel spreadsheet. Myself Sharon Thomas, faculty in Career Path Institute, Thrissur. So this is the Excel sheet that you will get from the description. You can just copy paste the question paper code and the correct answer in the left side, and only thing that you will have to manually do will be the candidate written answer code. The mark will automatically get generated and the total percentage will automatically get summed upon. So this is the only task that we can automate upon. So the yellow colored part will have to be manually done. I know this is a very hectic task, but I have simplified it to an extent where you can copy paste the question paper code and correct answer code, and finally this answer code will be compared with the correct answer, and finally you will get the solution. If there is any queries, you can post it down in this under this video. You are welcome. Suggestions are welcome. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and wait for the updates. Thank you.